Many of you are probably using PowerPoint or Canva to create aesthetic line sheets and catalogs. These are great tools that help you create beautiful end products, but they can take extensive time to complete your design. Do you know that you can use Excel to create aesthetic line sheets and catalogs? Now you could create beautiful line sheets in a fraction of the time. Today I will give you a quick overview of the automated Excel horizontal line sheet. The first thing you want to do is set up your template. This is done by adding data to the tables provided. This template is very easy to use. Simply add your data to the table. Now that you have completed your data, you can start creating beautiful line sheets in seconds. For example, I will create the cover of my line sheet. Simply select a cover option from the drop-down list, and changes automatically populate. You have created an aesthetic cover in a matter of seconds. Now let's create a line sheet. Simply select the name of the item you'll be using from the drop-down menu like this. And once again, the data automatically updates. Now let's set up the other styles. It literally took 1 to 2 minutes to create a line sheet once the data is set up complete, and you could create multiple line sheets all the time. This was a quick overview of how the automated Excel line sheet template works. If you want to start being more productive and save time, this template will enable you to create beautiful and aesthetic line sheets and catalogs quickly. This template is available on the Beyond Paper Etsy store. There is a link in the description, so please make sure to visit us. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. Also, please leave a like to support this channel.